Have you ever had puff puff that is soft, fluffy, and bursting with flavor? Today, we are giving this classic snacks a delicious twist with carrot puff puff, golden on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with just the right touch of sweetness. Trust me, this is one treat you don't want to miss, right? Let's get into it. So over here we have our carrots. Okay, go ahead to clean it up once done. Peel it as well. Beautiful people, if today is your first time here, thank you so much. Please do what to support us, subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I really appreciate. So guys, cut into smaller parts, okay? Next, transfer the cut carrot into a blender. Add little water, cover and blend until it is smooth. I went ahead to extract the juice from the chaff, okay, using your sieve. Yeah. Soft like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe. So over here the chaff is ready and the juice is ready as well. Okay, now set the both aside. Next, let's go ahead to mix our dry ingredients. Okay, I'll be sieving in some flour. Okay, I used 1 kg of flour here. Now I went in with my yeast. Okay, the full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box or comment section. Okay, so here I added some sugar at your taste, little salt. Okay, now go ahead to mix. Okay. At this point, I'm going to be adding the chaff, just bit by bit, little by little, okay? I'll now start adding in the juice as well. Yeah, I used everything, okay? You need to be very, very careful so you don't over water your puff puff, okay? So I'm going to be going in little by little and keep mixing until I have gotten my desired consistency. With love in our hand, you go taste them, you go understand. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, that pepper right. She they cook peace for your night. She they chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go hear you. Now kitchen be a sacred place. Now our puff puff is almost ready, guys. Cover it and allow to double in size. Okay, now let's go ahead to heat up our oil. Okay, in a cooking pot or a frying pan, add in your vegetable oil and allow to heat up. Okay. Now we are checking on our puff puff. Wow, can you see? Oh my goodness, the color alone. So guys, it has doubled in size and we are good to go, right? You can see it, you can feel it, right? So beautiful people, it is time to scoop some in your palm and squeeze into the oil. Okay, so that is what I am doing here, my amazing people. And make sure your cooker is on medium heat so you don't end up outside fried and inside uncooked. I know you will not love that, right? So you scoop, right? So please do not do not jam pack it, give it some space, okay? Please make sure you don't go far, okay? You need to be very close. Observe and turn once you see that usual color of puff puff. Una what's a girl? You look at it, look at what I'm doing over here. Keep frying until it is well cooked, just the way you are seeing here on the screen. Yeah, it is done. Gently take it out from the oil and set aside. So, beautiful people, I'm going to be repeating the same process until I'm done using up all the whole batter. Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, mira de cool. With love in our hand, you go taste time. You go understand. Oh, mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Na kitchen be a sacred place, where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh, mira, mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Every bite go make you high. E no fake, na real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Oh, mira's kitchen, where so they rest. Her food go beat for your chest. You go no say you dey home. With Mira, you know alone. I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn and ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh, Mira's kitchen, joy they fly. Every bite go make you high. In no fake, not real love true. She they pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen, like the show. Her spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Finally, and there you have it. Warm, fluffy carrot puff puff that is as tasty as it is irresistible. Perfect for snacks, parties, or anything cravings. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to like, share, and try it out yourself. Until next time, happy cooking and remain blessed. Bye.